How appropriate this would be our last morning here in Brighton when it's raining. I guess it's the universe's way of saying, get out of here. It's always a melancholic feeling to be traveling home after vacation. This video is about our chaotic adventure flying back from the UK to the States. We should have taken the rain as a bad omen. Lightning was in the forecast. After all, isn't it dangerous to be flying during lightning? We arrived at Gatwick Airport on time. The buses in the UK are an efficient and economical way to get to the airport. Remember that for later in this video. After futzing around with the self-check-in kiosk, our bags were tagged and we were checked in. Time to make our way to the gate. But hold up, I get an alert on my phone that our flight was going to be delayed by 4 hours because lightning had struck the inbounding plane that we were supposed to get on. Now our flight was going to be delayed as they were doing safety checks on the plane. Guess we have plenty of time to hang out at the airport and to people watch. We grabbed some lunch and tried to stay calm as we realized that the delay was going to make us miss our connecting flight from Calgary to Los Angeles. I hate connecting flights. It was time to head back to the gate to see if we can board to Calgary. Maybe the lightning didn't damage anything, but a girl can hope, right? This is the look of frustration when it was announced that our flight was completely canceled. We are not going anywhere tonight. The staff instructed us to pick up our bags and go stand in line to get our overnight accommodations. At least this beats sleeping on the floor of the airport. The line to get our hotel assignment was long, and I was contemplating on eating this packet of biscuits versus raiding the ones I had bought for my friends. As for our new flights, the ones offered were awful. Yes, I understood we were being inconvenienced because of the flight cancellation, but come on, it was going to take 2 days to get back to Los Angeles. With no in-person staff to turn to, I was on the phone to plead my case. Over 3 hours later, we got our hotel assignments. Luckily, they put us in the Sofitel, which was a short walk down a corridor. The only thing that went right on this long day at the airport. Pretty swanky hotel. Unfortunately, we were only going to be staying in it for less than 12 hours. Dinner was included and we were the last ones to the buffet. No time to hang out at the hotel bar. We had to turn in early for our next flight the following day, which was going to be another ordeal. There was rain again in the forecast. One last full English breakfast, only because we had to be here in England another day. This new itinerary I had negotiated with the customer representative over the phone required us to travel from Gatwick Airport to London Heathrow, back to the National Express bus terminal to give us a lift. See, I told you the buses to the airport were great. We were only able to get this revised itinerary because we were flexible about changing airports. It's about a 90-minute bus ride from Gatwick to London Heathrow. They run this bus almost every hour. So long, Gatwick. This wasn't what I thought our parting shot was going to look like. Fog was building up on our way to Heathrow, which made me nervous. Is our flight going to be delayed again? I'm not sure what kind of shuttle this is, but it looks cute. We made it to the bus terminal at Heathrow and got to Terminal 3 after a long walk. Fortunately, our new flight was a direct route to Los Angeles. I couldn't believe our luck that they were able to put us on this last-minute flight, and we didn't have to pay any extra fees. But there was one more hiccup. So close, we're last to board. Hopefully there'll still be room in the overhead compartments for our bags. Ugh, the downsides of boarding last, but somehow we were able to stuff our totes into the compartments. It's time to go home, 24 hours after our original flight. When you travel as much as we do, at some point you will encounter delays and cancellations. I think what kept us from flipping out was that we were flexible with our options, even to the point of changing airports. Ah, the joys of traveling in the post-pandemic world.